Welcome to Foundation Tips and Tricks with Mono Slab Easy Form, the innovative foundation solution that saves you time, labor, and money. Forming foundations can be complex, time-consuming, and an expensive process. Dealing with frost depth and insulation code requirements, coordinating schedules, managing trades, and ensuring energy efficiency can be quite overwhelming. If you're waiting for the economy to solve your budget problems, now is the time to take a closer look at the insufficiencies within your foundation. Relying on external factors like market fluctuations or economic recovery can be uncertain, but addressing internal weaknesses puts you in control. Evaluate your operational processes, eliminate wasteful spending, and optimize resources to build a more resilient financial structure. By identifying and correcting insufficiencies now, you can position yourself for long-term stability regardless of economic conditions. Introducing Mono Slab Easy Form, a foundation solution designed to meet and exceed building code and frost protection requirements in all 50 states. Mono Slab addresses several challenges in construction, simplifying the process and making it more cost-effective. Reduce excessive foundation costs. Mono Slab significantly reduces excessive foundation costs by simplifying the building process, using fewer materials, and minimizing the need for skilled labor. Speed up installation time. With Mono Slab Easy Form, you can install foundations faster, allowing projects to stay on schedule and freeing up resources for other tasks. Minimize scheduling difficulties. Mono Slab minimizes scheduling difficulties as it requires less coordination and fewer trades on site, reducing the risk of delays and additional costs. Address frost depth and energy code requirements. Mono Slab Easy Form is designed to meet and exceed building codes, frost protection requirements, and energy efficient standards. The Mono Slab adjustable form comes with level-up extension brackets for easy adjustment and leveling, as well as 3 Type 2 EPS extension pieces for added insulation, giving you additional R value. Let me know in the comments below what you think and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more building tips and tricks.